Click on the link below to get price. The Canon EF 100 to 400mm f/4. 5.5 5.6L IS II USM lens is a versatile and robust telephoto zoom lens that has garnered a reputation for its exceptional performance and image quality. Designed for Canon's full-frame and APS-C DSLRs, this lens is ideal for wildlife, sports, and landscape photography, thanks to its impressive zoom range and fast autofocus capabilities. One of the standout features of this lens is its advanced image stabilization (IS) system, which allows you to shoot at slower shutter speeds without introducing blur from camera shake. This is particularly beneficial for handheld shooting, making it easier to capture sharp images in challenging conditions. The lens also boasts a fast and accurate ultrasonic motor (USM) for quick focusing, ensuring you never miss a critical moment, especially during fast-paced action. Image quality is exceptional, with sharpness being one of its strongest points. The lens produces excellent detail even at wide-open apertures, with minimal distortion and chromatic aberration. The high-quality L-series optics also ensure vibrant colors and beautiful bokeh, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your photos. The weather-sealed construction adds to its durability, allowing you to use it in various environments without worrying about dust or moisture. The included filter kit further enhances the versatility of the lens. With options like UV, polarizing, and ND filters, you can quickly adapt to different lighting conditions or creatively control reflections and exposure. The lens is also relatively compact for a zoom of its range, making it easier to carry on long outings. While the price point may be a consideration for some, the performance and versatility of the Canon EF 100 to 400mm f/4. 5.5 5.6L IS II USM lens justify the investment for serious photographers. Overall, it is a remarkable lens that consistently delivers high-quality results, making it a treasured addition to any photographer's kit.